This is how to do leverage trading using crypto. I'll be using Gate Exchange platform for this demonstration. If you are new to Gate Exchange, you need to create and open your account with Gate Exchange. So as soon as your account is funded, you tap this place, trade. You are going to see all this. What you want to trade is leverage token, which is ETF, that is Exchange Trusted Fund. And these are the list of leverage tokens. If you have done your investigation, you study what is going on in the market, if you know that the price is trending, either the price is like going up gradually and you are certain, or price is coming down gradually, you decide on which one to choose, either to go short or to go long. If you are going short, that implies you are saying that Bitcoin will fall in price. But if you are going long, that implies that you are saying Bitcoin price will go up. That is, you are speculating. So you select your leverage token. You select this. You can tap trade, just tap inside here. You can see, as at the time of this video, I'm going for short. That is, I'm speculating that the price of Bitcoin is going to fall. So I've selected my leverage token, and you can use these candles and the signals to study what is currently happening to help you make better decision. This is within 1 minute. You can see within 1 minute, this will change. Within 15 minutes ago, this is what has happened. But it's always good you choose for like 4 hours to help you to take proper decision. And you can see, you can check overview to help you know the nature of your leverage tokens. Like what we're tracking, the price of leverage tokens we're tracking is Bitcoin. You can view the rebalancing here. You can see leverage target is 3S, and this is daily management fee that we've talked about in this video. And if there's any serious price movement, that's when rebalancing will happen. So you can still learn more by scrolling down and reading the detail. And you can use bot, you can use copy trade with conditions. So for me to transfer money and fund my ETF account, that is leverage account, I will tap here, this plus sign, you tap it. You can see transfer, on-chain deposit through P2P trading. So you have all these options. On-chain transfer, if you are moving money from your wallet or from another exchange. As soon as money is in your Gate Exchange account, it's going to show inside your ETF account automatically. So I've transferred $5 to my Gate Exchange account already using on-chain deposit. You can see available balance is $5. The maximum I can buy is this. That is with this amount. The maximum I can buy is this. And this is the current price of this leverage token. Don't forget, this is not the price of Bitcoin. This is a different token that is leveraging on Bitcoin percentage change in price. So this has nothing to do with Bitcoin. So how much do I want to buy? You tap inside here. I will tap that I want to buy $3. You can set your slippage here. To set slippage, you can tap slippage. For you to know how to set slippage, you can watch this video. I explain step by step of how to set slippage when you are doing trading on most platforms. So this is available balance I have in my USDT, but the amount of USDT I want to spend is $3 because I want to buy this leverage token BTC3 short, because I'm speculating that price of Bitcoin will go down. So I will tap buy BTC3S. I'm buying a total worth of 3 USDT. I will tap confirm. The good thing about Gate Exchange is this: before you do any trade using leverage token, you are going to do what is called knowledge test. That is to ensure you have true understanding of how to use these tools effectively so that you will not lose your money. So you take this test, you see option is objective, so you follow through these 9 test questions that you will be made to answer. After you must have finished answering the question, you'll be able to buy your leverage token on Gate Exchange. After you've indicated the price you want to pay to buy this leverage token, you tap buy, you confirm what you are buying, you confirm, you can see order placed successfully. As soon as I spent $3 out of $5, it remains this amount. This amount that remains, this is the amount it can buy. If you want to know how much of this leverage token I've bought, you come to my asset. If you move it up, my asset is now 34 BTC3S leverage token. that I've bought, and this is the average cost per those leverage token. Look at it here. Don't forget that you are speculating on the percentage of the real Bitcoin price movement. So, and I decided to go for BTC3S, that is short, because I'm speculating that price of real Bitcoin will fall. So if I'm right, I will make money 3S of the percentage, and you can see the total asset I have. So you can see that all this setup, the crediting of your account, the purchase of the leverage tokens, all you just need to do is to wait and be watching your direction choice, and I can decide to sell when I'm ready to sell. All this is done. There's no need for margin setup, no liquidation price, and there's no complex interface. All this is simple to follow. And don't forget, this price is not cheap. Don't say it's cheap, you are going to buy more. You are speculating on the percentage in the price difference of the real Bitcoin and not on the leverage token price. At the same time, immediately you observe that you are okay, the price has moved up, and you are ready to cash out your money, all you need to do is to come to this place. You come to sell, you tap sell. You can see this is available asset I have, that is this leverage token, and this is the worth of my asset in USDT. Don't forget that this video is for educational purpose only, so ensure you do your own personal research before you trade with your money on any platform. So as soon as you are okay and you want to cash out, all you just need to do is to sell this BTC. And how do you sell? You can see this is the total amount I have, and this is the worth. So if I want to sell, you can see the whole of the total amount you have here. So you can type the whole total to this place. So I have 3403. So all I need to do is to sell, so I can cash out your money. All you need to do is to tap sell BTC3S. You tap it. Look at it. You just tap confirm, and you can see order placed successfully. You can see here now I've sold my BTC3S leverage token, and if you come back to buy, you will see my money back to my account. Don't forget that this is amount, this USDT of this amount that it can buy. This money that you are seeing is directly on your spot account, and you can transfer it to any of your crypto wallet, any of your exchange account. To move this money out of this platform, you just come to your asset. You can see this is the money here, and you can see the money here. You tap withdraw. You can now withdraw the money to any exchange of your choice or to any crypto wallet of your choice. So that is how to do leverage trading using crypto on Gate Exchange. You can now do leverage trading using crypto. You can also apply this to any exchange platform of your choice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop down your comment. I promise to get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.